I'd love to. Our dear Heavenly Father, we're grateful for this opportunity we've had to get together and that we can make plans and do well in our quiz as a class. And we ask that we may work together and have thy spirit as we strive to do better in our education, as well as in our normal lives. Help each of us in those things that we're working on the most, and that we can become the best we can be. And we say these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Did anyone have any questions from the reading?
Some of it was just like, what?
Did you have any specific questions, or you just want to start the quiz?
No. We can start the quiz.
What?
We can
Start the quiz? Cool.
Yep.
Okay. Número 3. In a pie chart, why are the slices different sizes? Such a stupid question.
I think it's C.
I chose C.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, I chose B, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's C, though.
Oh, I didn't even look at C, actually. I just looked at B and said, oh, yeah, determined by categories. It is C.
Okay. How are bar charts and, I don't know how to say it, Pareto charts related? Pareto chart is a bar chart, just in order. C.
That's what I got.
Cool. 5. Is P the true proportion or the sample proportion? It's the true proportion. The sample proportion's the one with the weird triangle thing over it. Right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What is N? It is still the sample size.
Question 7.
Okay, so number 7. If P is equal to 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirements? So we have two different requirements. N times P has to be greater than 10, and N times 1 minus P has to be greater than 10. So you're given a P of 1/4. So to satisfy the first requirement, N has to be 40, because 40 times 1/4 is 10. And then to satisfy the second, you solve the algebra and you get N is equal to 13.3. And so, but if you plug in 13 into the first equation, it doesn't satisfy it. So I got an answer of 40.
Isn't it?
For number 7, right?
Yeah, for number 7.
Yeah. Wait, why would it be 40?
Because 40 times 1/4 is 10.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
Number
Did that
8.
make sense, Octavius?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Number 8. What is the mean of P hat? It is 0.4 because it's just the same as P.
And then
Number 9. What is the standard deviation of P? So you use the equation, the square root of P times 1 minus P divided by N.
I got 0.1.
Ready? Me too.
Yeah.
Woo!
Number 10. Brittany's batting average is 0.3. We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats. what is p hat? So p hat is equal to x divided by 100, and in this case is 35 divided by 100, which is 0.35.
Wait, what?
What?
I thought P hat and P were the same thing.
No. The mean of p hat is the same as p, but p hat itself is x divided by n.
Oh, that's true.
So for the next one, do we have to?
Wait, so it's 35 divided by 100?
Yeah, it's 35.
Yeah, because it's her 35 hits and her next 100 bats. So 35 divided by 100, 0.35. What'd you say, Octavius?
I was gonna say for the next one, can we use Excel or get the standard deviation?
For number 11?
Yeah, not for
So for number 11, you use the equation, the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n, and we're given a p of 0.3 in the problem. So you do 1 minus 0.3 times 0.3 divided by 100 and take the square root.
0.046?
Yeah, that's what I got. Welcome, Latsmi.
Hey guys,
Welcome.
We're on
Are you
number
in car?
11.
number 5.
11.
11.
11.
We have just been flying through these.
Okay.
So, what did you get for number 11, Latsmi?
0.046.
Octavius, is that what you got?
Yep.
All right, for number 12, what is the z-score? So for the z-score, we take p hat minus p and divide by the standard deviation we found in 11. Correct?
Yes.
And I got 1.087.
For number 12.
Number 12.
Yes.
Oh, wait. Would it be, is it 0.35 times 0.3?
It's,
Oh, 0.35 minus 0.3.
yeah,
Oh,
0.35 minus 0.3 divided by,
0.0046. I mean, 0.046.
yeah, so I got 1.087.
I got 1.091.
So how did you do number 12?
I don't have my laptop on me. I'm just sitting in my car, so I don't even know how I got it.
Okay.
I don't have anything on me. Let me go through my notes. I might be able to pull up my notes on
I
my.
got negative 1.049.
How did you get a negative number?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Why is this so hard?
Yeah, I'm
This is
lost.
supposed to be a simple question and we've all gotten different answers.
Divided by 0.046. 1.087.
Hey, that's what I got.
Hold on.
That's what it is. Why did it keep giving me a wrong number? That's really weird.
What did you divide by?
0.04.
Yeah, that.
0.046.
46.
Okay, 1.087. I don't know why I didn't have that. That's weird.
That's all good. That's what we come together for.
It's
Yeah.
all good in the hood.
Oh my god.
So then for or Octavius, did you get 12?
12. To 1.087.
Cool.
Yeah.
So for number 13, what is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at bats? So we take the z-score and plug it into the normal probability applet, shade everything to the right of the of our z-score, and I got 0.139.
Wait.
I
This
got
is a-
0.138.
So close.
I don't know.
what was our z-score?
1.087.
1.087.
What did you
Oh,
guys get?
I think when I put it in, I think I put like the entire number. I didn't round to the 7.
So
So
0.139.
that's what I got. But I'm gonna pull my applet back up really fast because she got something different. And
I
they're
just got
really
one number off.
Isn't it
Yeah.
different to say at least 35 hits?
What was your question, Brandon?
Wouldn't it be different if you say at least 35 hits? I guess mine would be the same. I keep feeling my voice echo, and it's kind of annoying.
Sorry, my computer might be too loud. Here, let me turn it down. There, now say something. Did you hear yourself?
I did. It's okay.
Sorry.
You're good.
Oh, get at least. Hold on. They switched it up. So that's so stupid. So in the beginning of the question, it says determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits. And then in the question, it says get at least. So that would be everything to the left.
No, because
No, it would still be
so
the
it would
same.
mean more. It would be more. Yeah, I just
Mm-hmm.
didn't make sense to me at first because I changed it.
Sorry. My brain's not working.
Mine neither. I feel you. Standard deviation of Swaggy P.
Okay, so last me you got 0.138.
138. Yeah.
And you just typed in 1.087?
Mm-hmm.
Did you round it?
I'm getting the area. I typed in 1.087 and the area is 0.1385. So don't you round that up to 0.139?
Yeah,
Oh, I just kept it at 8. Okay. I guess. I don't know.
Oh no, the ultimate 5 debate.
I know.
Okay, so if the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is 0.52 and n is equal to 2,000 people, we want to determine the probability that the result of the survey will suggest that candidate is losing the election. So what is the standard deviation of P? So we do the standard deviation equation again, and I got 0.011.
1. Yeah.
That's what I got.
That's what I got.
I agree.
So 15, what z-score would you use? I got negative 1.790.
Yeah, I just put negative 1.79. Do we need the 0?
Yeah, that's what I put. I just put negative 1.79.
I don't know. It says round to 3 decimal places, so I just put the 0 to be safe.
Yeah.
Wait, what is?
I don't think it really matters.
How did you get that one, by the way?
So what was your question, Brandon?
How did you get that? What's the P with the hat over for that one?
So the P with the hat is 0.5 because you're getting less than 50% of the votes.
Oh.
I'll see you there.
Okay, last me. For number 3, did you get C?
For number 3, hold on.
Wait,
You're good.
what'd you get for 15? I got negative 1.818.
How you get that?
We got negative 1.790.
Yeah. For 3, I got C. For 4, I
Okay,
got C.
that's what we got. That's what we got.
And then number 4, I got C. 5, I got A. 6, I got B.
Aww.
Still there?
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. Did you get B for 5?
5, I got. Hold on. Where am I at? So 4, I got C. 5. Where's 5? 5, I got B.
B.
6, I got B. What is N? N. Hold on. Oh, wrong one. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong number. I can't look it at my phone. It's because I'm on my phone. So, number 6, right?
Yeah, we got the sample size.
Yes, 6 is C. Sorry, I was looking at the other ones. And then for 7,
No, you're good.
I got 70, or I got 40.
Okay. That's what we.
And then 8, I got 0.4.
And 9.
0.1.
And 10.
And then 10, 0.35.
And then you came in at 11.
Yep, 0.046.
All right, are we ready to submit?
Is number 16.037?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what I
Yes. Oh, sorry, I didn't. I didn't know there was another
You're good.
question.
There's one more.
That
Yeah.
was my bad.
Yeah, you
Number
good.
15 is negative
Octavius,
1.79.
did you get 16?
Yep, I got it. 0.0.
No, 337.
And what was your question, Brandon?
15 is what? Negative 1.790.
Yes,
Yes.
that's what we got.
Let's do it.
Ready, set, go. Did you guys see that we have a final project? The first assignment of our final project due?
I did see that.
When is that due?
Yeah, when is it? I ain't look at that part.
It's due on Saturday, but so we don't have to really do anything for it today.
No.
We just have to design the study, but I think between today and tomorrow and by Wednesday, we need to know what we're gonna do in order to design the study.
Do you guys have any ideas?
I had one idea was like you could test batteries, like the different brands and do like an ANOVA test. But you would have to like find something that like a light or something that only takes like one battery to power it. And then you would just turn it on and you would time how long it stays on. But then I was like, that might take too long for them to die. So that's as far as I got.
They don't have anything online based on like the life expectancy of the battery.
Yeah, like the life, which brand. So if we did like 3 brands, we could test if there's like so my original thought was like, is there really a need for a price difference between the 3? Like, are you really getting a longer battery life if you pay more?
Oh, I got you.
I actually really do like that though.
That's a great idea.
But what is something that like only takes 1 battery? Because I don't think we would want to do 2 batteries, because then like there's more factors and it would be harder.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Well, if you had 2 batteries from each, you could just make it one category and say 2 batteries from this company, 2 batteries from this company, 2 batteries from this company. You still have 3 variables.
Yeah, I like that.
Right, but like, I don't know. I guess maybe I was overthinking it, but I was thinking because like if you have a light and you put tube in and the light dies, what if one of the batteries still has like a little bit of juice left, but you don't know because it's not enough to power it. But I guess it would still work. I just overcomplicated it. So.
I like that idea.
So, or sell like little lights.
I think it only sells like one brand. The dollar store does sell those batteries like AA and triple whatever, and but it's only one brand. It doesn't have a variety of brands.
Like Sunbeam or something like that.
But do they have like? We could get the batteries from Walmart, and then but like little. I don't know. I was thinking like little LED lights that you like turn on. Or we could do like a child's toy. Just something that lights up, I guess. I don't know.
You're just thinking that because you're pregnant, huh? Child's toy. Yeah.
Well, I'm thinking of something that lights up.
No, I'm just kidding. Well, like, would it include all of us being involved though if we only had one person do all the flashlight stuff?
Well, yeah. So then that's the other thing is like, we could all, because like we have to have more than 30 samples for each group, and so like we could each do like 7 samples and do each battery brand 7 times, and we could each do. Make sense?
You broke up a little bit. What you were saying?
Yeah, I didn't hear you.
Cause like, oh, so I was thinking because like for each brand of battery we have to have at least 30 tests, and so I don't think one person should do all 90 tests, and so everyone could do like 7 tests for each brand, or you know what I mean, like we could break it up.
Okay.
Dissipate.
But how would we test it? Like, so we get like, how would we do that? I'm trying to understand. Like,
What do you mean?
So like, would I have to get like 2 different brands of batteries, or would I need to get like all 4 different brands of batteries? Like, you know what I'm saying?
Well, so we could decide on that. So like, I mean, we could do 4 brands of batteries and just each do one brand and test it.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
But we would just have to make sure that we buy this relatively the same light that we're testing it, so that we keep that variable the same. That's the only like I guess the only foreseeable problem. But I mean, like we all have Walmart.
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
if we found the cheapest and said this is the brand, this is the price, this is the color of it, and then we could each buy, and then hypothetically it's the same.
Very good.
So
Then we'll have Brother Bennett reimburse us.
What?
I said, and then we'll have Brother Bennett reimburse us.
I don't think he'll do that. That's a dollar store had lights.
On this video, maybe he'll change his mind.
Okay, that's true.
Which one? Like for example, is like one that's getting like wholesale, or the other one's getting like something. Like, does that make sense? Like which that? Like which company are we using?
Okay, hold on. Say that one more time.
Like do we get to choose like which one we're getting? Like far as like who's getting Energizer Bunny, like Energizer Bunny, and like who's getting
ASL.
But I don't know.
Yeah,
like,
we could just
company.
we could just pick. I mean, Octavius, what brand of batteries do you want?
It don't matter. I was just trying to see like, are we like doing different brands to test it? Or?
I think that would be easiest if like brand sell the Energizer, Octavius, you took that one brand that starts with an R, and then I'll find a fourth brand that I don't know a name of. The off brand, or something like that.
I'm down.
What
was that?
Hello?
Oh, I thought you asked a question.
Oh, no, I just said I'm down. I'll take Duracell.
Okay. Latsumi, what brand do you want?
Hold on, I'm gonna clarify. I'm gonna get back to you real quick. Hold on.
Can you guys hear Latsumi? I can't hear her.
I don't think he's speaking.
Latsumi, did we lose you?
Hold on.
If she's on her phone, she's probably on data, which means she doesn't have she might not have the best connection. I don't know. I also don't have the best connection.
Let's just have you and she'll just have to pick after. Have Octavius choose which one he wants.
Okay. What brand of batteries do you want, Octavius?
Hold on. I can I can take Energizer.
All right.
Okay. You take Energizer. I'm gonna write this down somewhere.
Good, you're so organized. No wonder you're the one that's getting graduated.
We all need to know what batteries each other's having.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have Duracell. You're gonna have Energizer. Latsumi's gonna have Radoc Duravdig.
I can't even spell Energizer.
What?
I don't know.
You said Duracell?
Just spell it as good as you can. Just spell it to where you know what it is.
Got you. And then, which one are you having?
Oh, hold on, I'm looking up other brands of batteries.
Oh, okay.
Latsumi is gonna take RAY something.
Raycon.
Yeah, that's it.
And that's so good.
Spectrum.
Spectrum? Is that another brand of batteries?
I don't know. I'm looking it up. What are some brands? Rayovac, Energizer.
Yeah, that's the one I'm thinking of.
Ever Ready. You can take Ever Ready.
There you go.
Or Panasonic. Holy cow. My battery's going to last forever.
See, that's the problem. How long are they supposed to last?
Duracell is supposed to last for 101 hours and 20 minutes.
101 hours?
Yeah.
Well, that's only 4 days.
Only 4 days.
But like we still have the data is due in like 3 to 4 weeks. So
okay, that's fine.
The data is not due this weekend. This weekend all we have to do is design our study, which we basically just did.
Okay, so we can put all that together later. Probably not.
But I would buy the batteries now, but Brandon just hung up on us. And is Latsumi still there? And Octavius, you're on mute. I don't even know what you're doing.
Sorry, I was on the phone.
Sorry.
Welcome back, Brandon.
I pushed the wrong button and totally just X'd out.
Yeah, so if everyone buys their batteries, and I'll go to Walmart and look for like a light, and I'll try to find the cheapest one, and then I'll just send a message in the group of like a picture and what I get.
Okay.
And then if everyone just buys it, the problem is you got to do it 30 times.
30 times, like put the batteries in 30 times?
Yeah, you gotta have
like,
30 samples.
so I might buy like 3 flashlights and do that.
Yeah. So
So
should I do little camping flashlights? That might be a good idea.
yeah, just get a small one. I could probably find you the cheapest one because the Walmart we go to is in the hood, and they're always outstocked on the stuff that's good, but they're always overstocked on the stuff that like people who don't have any money would buy. So the cheapest type of battery we'd have, cheapest type of flashlight we'd have 20 of.
Okay. Yeah, so if you just buy a couple of them and like just put the batteries in and then check on it every like day up until like the 4th day, the 3rd or 4th day, try to catch it within the hour. Let's just round it to the number of hours.
And
we bought 3 different flashlights. How many batteries we using? Like 30 samples?
no, so
Yeah,
30 samples of each battery or 30 samples total?
30 samples total, because that's what.
Yeah. So how about all of us do 8 tests, and then that'll be 32.
No. We need 30 samples in each brand, don't we? Because we have to have a large enough sample size that we can assume a normal distribution. Because what if we did all this work and then it wasn't even normal?
We'll have to ask Brother Bennett then on that because.
So that's my question: is it the total sample project? I never actually figured that out on like the ANOVA test.
Well, I feel like they always do it though. Like they'd say like 20 and 20, but then it'd add up to be fine, or like we normally.
Hold on, Marvin. Hold on.
We assume normal distribution. Like I don't know. I was always confused with that.
Okay, so if we each just did you say 8?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But we'd have to ask him like if he means the sample size like individually or in total, like the population.
Okay, I think Octavius is looking it up in his notes because he said, hold on. So I don't know.
I was talking to him. I'm sorry.
Oh my goodness.
I know,
Okay.
but I'm still trying to process what y'all was saying about like 8. Like we doing 8 samples like each.
Yes. So
Okay.
8 different tests each. Let's stick to that for now. And then I'll shoot him an email.
Okay.
And then Wednesday we'll come back. And I think there's like an actual, like someone has to type up the design study and there's a couple other things we need. But Latsumi is going to need a better connection. So we'll do that on Wednesday.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank you. Y'all have a good night.
That's okay.
You too.
Bye.
Ciao.